Welcome to your members area. You're watching this video right here, and what I'm doing is giving you a walkthrough on how you can download all of your products. Before we start, I'd like to tell you down at the bottom of this page, there's a special members only offer. I'll give you a hint on this. Instead of 100 royalty-free images and 23 music tracks for your website, what if you could up that to over 1,000 images and more than 100 music tracks? Too many images to show you here, but how about images like this? There are hundreds upon hundreds of these images. All kinds of miscellaneous images, shadow people, and how about real people? But again, there are too many to go through here. I'll go through these a little bit more in the video down below. Now let's get to your members downloads. Alright, as you can see, there are quite a few things I'm giving you here to help you build your business online. And a tip is, giving free stuff away like this is an excellent way of building your business online. So the first thing I want you to do is go to your desktop and create a new folder. So what you do is right click on your desktop and go New Folder. And name this folder Free Toolkit. Now your first free tool here to download is called, okay, let's see, where are we here? 100 images. So let's highlight this and copy it. And let's go back to our desktop again. We're going to create a new folder inside of that folder. So just double click on this to open it up. And again, you right click and go New Folder. This one you call 100 images. And the next product there is called 23 music tracks for your website. So let's make another new folder. And call this one 23 music tracks for your website. What I'm going to do now is make a new folder for each of the new products. Alright, that's done. You've got 23 music tracks for your website, 50 background images, and these images can be used in PowerPoints or on your website. These are 100 professionally done graphics that you can lay over top of the backgrounds. This is a complete WordPress training course, and this is the plugin that you can use to create capture pages like the one that you filled out when you asked for this free stuff here. So let's go back to the website now and actually download this stuff. Okay, now all of these files here are uploaded in zip format. And you're going to notice over on the left up top there that I'm in the Firefox browser. And the way something is downloaded is different in all of the different browsers. But all you need to do to download this from Firefox is just click on the images. And you want to not open it, but save file, and click OK. And the way this works is the larger the file, the longer it's going to take to download. And as you can see right here, let's go show all downloads. Still 17 seconds left. Now all I would do is minimize this. Left click on this and pull it out. Now I go back to the second one and again simply click to download. And this one is a longer file. So what I'm going to do is pause the video and I'm going to come back and I'm going to go through the same thing for each one of these products here. Now if you don't have a zip file extractor, for instance, I'm using WinZip, you can simply click here and download one for free. And if your videos don't play right for you on the internet, you can click right here and download an up-to-date Windows Media Player Classic. So I'll see you when all of these products are downloaded. Okay, these are all downloaded now. It took pretty close to an hour. The WordPress course, it's a big one. Videos and music are usually large files. Anyway, let's left click and drag these out. Now let's get them organized so they're easy to find. Okay, let's open this up and let's go 23 music tracks for your website. Minimize it like this. Find the right zip file here, left click and drag it in. Then we simply go back, background images, left click, drag it in. Now we go 100 free images, open it up, left click, drag it in. Same thing for the other two, WordPress training course. And finally, WP opt-ins 3.1. Now you have all of your products nice and neatly organized. Now what you want to do, double click, open it up, and you right click and you go extract here. There we are. Now we just open this up and there is our music. Let's open one up. You have a certificate of client rights here. I usually just right click on these and open with Adobe Reader. And there you are. Gives you the rights to use the content on as many of your websites as needed. Now let's go back. Your background images. Right click. Extract here. That was a lot quicker. And here they are. Again, you've got your client rights. These are the images. They can be resized. They can be used for PowerPoint or for your website or whatever you want to use them for. Now let's go to these 100 images. 120 free images, I should say. Extract here. There you are. And here they are. There's some pretty cool images here. And I'm going to be doing training on how to use all of this stuff too. And let's go to WP opt-ins 3.1. You don't need to extract it. It just gets uploaded directly to your WordPress. There will be training for that. And finally, the WordPress training course. Right click, extract here. And I'm still wrestling with myself over this because I paid $147 for a course that's not quite as good as this. And while we're waiting for this, let's right click on one of these images, copy it, open it up in PowerPoint, let's paste it right here, and let's make it look more like a button. Let's make it bigger, and let's insert a little bit of text here. Try this, and let's change this to training. And let's color this white or a gray. And let's make it fit in this just a little bit. Now let's highlight all of this. Copy it. Let's take it over to Paint. And let's paste it. Let's resize it here to the size that we want it to be. Now let's take it down to 150 pixels. 150. Okay. Now let's save this as JPG. Training tab. Now what I'm going to do is take this and back on the website, I'm going to paste it right here. And you're going to be able to click on it and it's going to take you to a training page for all of this stuff. Anyway, let's go back to here and we'll watch just a little bit of this right here. Welcome to this Internet Marketing Training course and congratulations on finding it. It doesn't take a genius to make a full-time income on the Internet. All you need to do is remember the 3 S's for success online. What you need, something to sell, someone to sell things to, and someplace to sell things from. Let's talk about something to sell first. Okay, I started a page for the training here. Just click on this tab. It's going to open up for you. And training videos on how to use your free toolkit will be placed where the X's are below. Your downloads are ready here. All you need to do is click on them. What you should do right now, I really highly suggest, is come down here and watch this special members only offer. You'll really be missing out if you don't.